All right, very windy day in Daly City. We're gonna be installing. We're gonna be installing a Moen 1-inch shut-off valve. So pretty much, we're gonna cut it from right here. PRV works, so there's no need to replace that. I tested the pressure with a gauge, 50 psi, so we're good on that. So cut it right here, cut it somewhere on top of here, and install the Moen shut-off valve. It's crazy people have to install these simply because they're so expensive. This one is like 600 bucks. You might have to take this access paint off because I don't want to mess up my cutter. Let's do like right here. Okay, so I'm gonna have to pretty much cut it more up so I could put the new hose bib. So I'm gonna turn on the valve just to let some debris out, since I'm pretty sure that's all the cutting. See how that's coming out. So I'm gonna just wait till pretty much everything's clear. Let's find the depth. Final look. We're just gonna press everything and then tighten up these plastic nuts here. Should be good to go. So we're gonna use these. You can hand tighten them, but I'm just gonna do it just a little bit. So that's pretty much about it. You don't really want to over tighten it because then you'll crack the nut here. Alright, water's turned on. I actually put it sideways because they have a holes that they put right here. They're gonna put right here, so I don't want it to, you know, touch that. So I just put it sideways. So we got the wiring from here to the box here and to the cord. It's pretty much how they wanted. You know, we're just trying to save the customer some money because insurance wants them to install this, so I mean, it's already tough enough for them. Alright, we're all done. There's the finishing product. Wait, almost forgot the cover. Oh man. Alright, now we're good.